Welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking you inside the beautiful W Hotel Barcelona. Honestly, from the moment you approach this hotel, the structure immediately stands out. The architecture has that iconic sail-like design sitting right by the water, and the location complements it perfectly. It feels elegant, modern, and bold all at the same time. And before you even walk inside, you already know this is going to be a special stay. The moment you step through the doors, the vibe is just unmatched. Luxury, style, energy, and that Barcelona beachfront atmosphere all come together beautifully. But let's get straight to the good stuff. The room tour. They really nailed the design in this suite. It's sleek, modern, and filled with those signature W hotel touches that make the space feel premium without being too much. From the lighting to the layout to the finishes, every detail feels intentional. The room gave us plenty of space, which was perfect because we were traveling with the kids. There was enough room for everyone to relax, move around, and really enjoy the stay without feeling crowded. And of course, one of the highlights was the soaking tub. That tub, paired with this view, made the room feel like a true luxury escape. But the absolute best part, the view. Looking out over the water, the beach, and the city, it was breathtaking. This is the kind of room where you don't just sleep and leave. You slow down, you take it in, and you enjoy every single corner of the experience. Good morning from paradise, a first order of business today. Fueling up, we headed down to the Salt restaurant for breakfast, and let me tell you, the buffet did not disappoint. The atmosphere was calm, stylish, and relaxed, which made it the perfect way to start the morning. You know, when a hotel breakfast already puts you in vacation mode, that was exactly the feeling here. The spread had a little bit of everything. If you wanted something light, they had fresh tropical fruits, pastries, breads, and all the simple breakfast favorites. But if you wanted a full meal, the live cooking stations had you covered too. Eggs, hot breakfast options, fresh selections, and enough variety for everyone to find something they liked. One thing that really stood out to us was the juice. The juices were freshly squeezed and you could taste the difference immediately. They also had these little ginger and turmeric shots, and honestly, that was a great touch. It gave the breakfast that fresh, healthy, wellness style feel while still keeping everything flavorful and enjoyable. The food was excellent, the service was top notch, and the ambience really raised the bar. Everything felt polished without feeling stiff. It was relaxing, it was beautiful, and it set the tone for the rest of the day. And honestly, when you're staying somewhere like the W Hotel Barcelona, breakfast is not just breakfast, it becomes part of the experience. It's the perfect, relaxed way to start a long day of doing absolutely nothing, or at least pretending that you're going to do nothing while still trying to explore every beautiful corner of the property. After breakfast, it was time to step outside and really explore the property. And this is where the W Hotel Barcelona really starts to shine. The environment around the hotel is incredibly serene. Everywhere you look, there is this mix of luxury, beach life, modern design, and total relaxation. You have the hotel standing tall behind you, the beach right in front of you, and the sound of the waves setting the mood. It's one of those places where the scenery does most of the talking. Walking down toward the beach, everything just feels peaceful. The sand, the water, the breeze, and the open view all come together in the best way. It almost feels like you have your own little piece of Barcelona paradise. The beach atmosphere was relaxing, clean, and beautiful. The water looked amazing, the waves were gentle, and the overall vibe was exactly what you want from a luxury beachfront stay. This is the type of place where you can put your phone away, listen to the waves, and just breathe for a moment. And that's what made it special. It wasn't just about the hotel room or the food, it was the full environment. The way the property connects with the beach, the way the design flows with the coastline, and the way the entire area makes you want to slow down. For us, traveling as a family, this was perfect. The kids could enjoy the open space and the beach atmosphere, while we could take in the view and appreciate the calmness of the surroundings. And as a couple, it also had that romantic, peaceful energy that makes you want to just walk, talk, and enjoy the moment. This is one of those hotel stays where the location is just as important as the room. And the W Hotel Barcelona definitely understands that. The beach, the water, the architecture, and the city all work together to create a stay that feels elevated from every angle. Pure relaxation, pure Barcelona, and definitely a vibe. Of course, you can't stay at a property like this and skip the pool. The infinity pool here is absolutely stunning. It's designed so beautifully that when you're in the water, it almost feels like the pool is blending right into the ocean. And for the kids, this was one of the most exciting parts of the stay. They were ready to jump in, cool off, and enjoy every minute of it. One thing we really liked is that there are different pool vibes depending on what you're looking for. If you want more of the adult party atmosphere, there is a section with music, energy, and a DJ style vibe. But if you want something quieter and more relaxed, especially for kids and family, you can cross over to the other side behind the bar and service area. That side gives you a calmer, more private pool experience. For us, that was perfect. The kids got to enjoy the water, and we still had that luxury poolside atmosphere without feeling like we were in the middle of the party scene. The infinity pool was amazing, refreshing, and exactly what we needed after exploring the beach. To wrap up what had been an absolutely perfect day, it was time for dinner. And this one was special, a beautiful evening by the water with the family. We ordered the fresh grilled fish and it was incredible. Simple, fresh, flavorful, and the perfect meal to match the view. There's something about ending the day with good food, a beautiful setting, and the sound of the water nearby. It just makes the whole experience feel complete. Overall, the W Barcelona delivered exactly what we were hoping for: luxury, vibe, relaxation, great food, beautiful views, and a family friendly experience that still felt special for us as a couple. This property is highly rated, and from our experience, it is well worth every dollar spent. We would definitely visit again. Thanks for hanging out with us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more lifestyle and travel experiences. We'll see you in the next one.